Hey guys, it's Athena again from Goddess Paints and Resins. I wanted to try to do something a little bit different again. I'm going to try to do the bloom technique. I don't know if my paints are the right consistency or not, but we're gonna try it. So wish me luck. So today I'm going to do the Iridescent Blue-Green by Pebeo. And then we got the Pebeo again, Iridescent Green Yellow. Then I got the Amsterdam Caput. Then I got the Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green. I do that every time. The first bottle that I showed you was green-blue. Sorry. Every time I do that. Then I got the Amsterdam Light Gold. And just to give it a little bit of contrast, I got the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to do a white pillow base. This is just the cheap little Craft Smart white mixed with Floetrol. All of my paints today are mixed with American Floetrol. And then my cell activator is going to be Amsterdam Lamp Black mixed with the Magic Gold. Miss Susanna from Resin Expressions sent me a bottle when I did my order. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. It's my first time trying it, so I'm super excited. So it is actually going to be the Australian Floetrol. Yay! So super excited about that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay down my pillow paint. My canvas is on a turntable. So if I choose, I can spin it out. I'm going to pop these bubbles, maybe. And give it a little bit of a spin. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Iridescent Green Blue first. We're just gonna put that in the middle. I've been watching a lot of people do this, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it correctly or not, but we're going to find out. And then I think next I'm going to do, I was going to do the Blue Black by Pebeo, but I'm thinking I'm going to actually do the Amsterdam Light Gold next. And then I'm going to do the Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. And then I'm going to do, then I'll do the Blue Black by Pebeo. Those colors always look really nice together. I feel like that one didn't have nearly as much as the other ones. And then I'm going to do the Caput. And then I'm going to do the Blue Green by Pebeo. I feel like I probably have too much paint on here now that I'm looking at it. But we're going to find out. So a lot of the people that I watch don't torch their bubbles. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to. They go through and they pop them with like I almost said Q-tip, a skewer or something. So I mixed up my Amsterdam Black in my low lifty bottle, but I still have some in this cup that when I mixed it, and I don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to dump that in there, and hopefully it works, because like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. don't like wasting paint as much as I can help it. So I try really hard not to scrape canvases or what have you. Just gonna add a little bit around. Okay, then we're going to take our blow dryer, we're going to go straight in the middle, and then we're going to start pushing it out. I'm going to move these paints out of my way. And wish me luck. Sorry, there's a bunch of stuff in front of me. Wasn't the best, but I wonder if that first blowout was really cool. I don't know if you guys can see that from where you are or not. Super pretty, super exciting, but this side did not do good. Let's see if I can try to do that again. No. Can you add more cell activator? I'm gonna try it. Even though I probably shouldn't, and everything inside of me is saying, don't do that, don't do that. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Don't add more cell activator, guys, because that just kind of got stuck there. Well, it's really cool. Sorry, I'm really excited. I haven't done this before, so I get excited over little things. I'm going to torch it. And see what happens. I'm going to blow it with my mouth, so sorry for my big head. Okay, so that brought up a lot of white underneath, unfortunately. So when you blow it a little bit, it brings up those cells. That's not the torch. I thought maybe the torch would bring up some cells, but it didn't. And then I shouldn't have blown so hard over here because I got all that white. So I'm going to lift this up for half a second because my little mats are dragging. Just some old paint on there. In hindsight, I should have cleaned it up before I did the video, but I didn't. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it a spin. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brain. I don't know what happened to my paint. Oh, there it is. Sorry. I'm gonna take some of this white and I'm just gonna go around the edges. And hopefully it'll flow a little bit better because all that pretty colors are coming off, but then everything else is kind of staying stationary. So hopefully it doesn't leave all this white on there because I really don't want all that white in my painting. unfortunately I have that, but what are you gonna do? It's my first one. You live and learn. So I know everybody's using like that Josania, probably saying that completely wrong, paint varnish stuff to do their blooms, or they're using like the Min Wax, or there's another one that I can't think of off the top of my head, but they're using all that stuff. And I'm kind of one of those people that I'll go out and I'll buy a bunch of stuff and then I never use it. Use this strip right here. And then it just sits, and then I feel like, man, I just wasted money on that and I've never even used it. Because I'm kind of bad about that. Like, I want to try different things and I get so excited and then I don't have time to do it. Which is unfortunate, but it's life, you know. So I told myself, I almost bought some the other day, and I told myself, I said, don't do it, because you know that you're going to buy that, and then you're going to hate doing blooms. Oop, I just totally messed that up. You're going to hate doing blooms, or you're not going to have time to do it, and then you just wasted money, and you're not going to be able to use it on anything else that I know of anyway. So I was like, okay, well, I'll try doing this first, and if it doesn't work, then that's fine. I'll just do something else. So that was my thought process on that. But other than the fact that I screwed it up, it worked pretty dang well. So let's try that again. Let's see if I can't tilt this. Sorry if you can't see. I mean, for never doing it before and not having the proper stuff, that's super cool. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I am pretty excited about it. Super excited. Sorry. Super cool. I don't like this, where I blew too hard. But it also gives it like a funky feel to it. So I'm kind of okay with it, actually. I'm just trying to put some paint on my sides here. Come on. Sorry if you can hear my son, he's playing a video game. He is not a quiet child, but I don't think any child really is, really, when it comes down to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just getting my sides, guys. Nothing like super exciting or anything like that, so feel free to fast forward me. I'm glad I did it in that order, because that Pebeo is super, super, super pretty. I do love the Pebeo quite a bit. Okay guys, so I just did my sides. Nothing too exciting. I just wanted to try to see if I can't maybe spin it one more time, try to cover this up here. some of those sides were blank. Oh look, I still missed some sides. How funny. Okay, I don't even know how that was possible. Well, guys, I think that was a success. I mean, like I said, I don't like this corner over here, but all in all, it came out pretty freaking good, if you ask me. So I'm pretty excited about that. Awesome. Well, let me put you on pause. Let me put you on pause, and then I will take you in for a close-up. Alright guys, so here it is. Sorry for the noise, my son decided to get out of his room. What do you guys think? I really, let's see if I can turn it without getting all dirty. I'm really loving that corner. Super excited, and that'll